Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.2. Dear students, don't skip the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 1. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of expenditures is 4:3. If each of them managed to save rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly incomes. So here we have to find the monthly incomes we have to find. Here it is given ratio of incomes, it is given ratio of expenditures, it is given, also given monthly savings also given. Savings how we have to get? Savings we are getting from total income to we are taking the expenditure. So total income to we are subtracting the expenditure, we are getting the savings. So here ratio of two persons incomes ratio it is given, expenditures ratio it is given. So incomes we are taking as a X and expenditure we are taking as Y. So then next we are getting the solution answer. Now see here, let incomes of two persons equal to X. This is also let expenditures of two persons equal to Y. So here it is given. What is given? Given ratio of incomes of two persons equal to 9:7 it is given. So ratio it is given, just we need to take the incomes. Now we have to take now incomes of two persons equal 9x and 7x we are getting 9x and 7x. So this is incomes one. Also given here ratio of expenditures of two persons also given, that one also you have to write it. Given expenditure of two persons equal. So how much it is given expenditures? That is 4:3 it is given. Now you can write the expenditure of two persons, you have to write it. Expenditure of two persons equal, that is 4y and 3y. So here 4y and 3y it is given, we are getting. Now here both of how much it is saving? 2000 rupees they are saving. Savings of two persons equals rupees 2000. So rupees 2000 we got it here by the problem. In total income to we need to subtract expenditure, we are getting the saving. First person's one I am taking. So first person's here income is 9x minus expenditure we need to subtract. First person's one only. First person's expenditure is 4y equal 2000. This is equation number 1 you have to take. Next, second person's one I am taking. second person income. Second person income, how much it is? 7x minus expenditure. Expenditure is 3y equal to 2000. This is equation number 2. Now here we are using substitution method. I am following using substitution method. So using substitution method, from equation number 1 you have to take, from equation number 1, 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. This minus 4y you have to transpose. So here substitution method, and we can take any one variable, we have to take the subject, either x or y. So I am taking as a x as a subject, I am taking, means this 4y you have to transpose. 9x equal 2000 minus 4y becomes plus 4y. So this 9 also you can transpose. X equal 2000 plus 4y by 9. So here this is one, you have to take the equation number 3 you can take. So x value we got it here, 2000 plus 4y by 9. So this x value you can substitute in the another equation. So from first equation we took, we can substitute this value in the second equation. So write down x equal 2000 plus 4y by 9 value, substitute in equation number 2. So second equation in we have to subtract. So second equation in we are putting, means we can get the value of y. So second equation is 7 of, here in this I am substituting 7 of x. X means that value you have to write it 2000 plus 4y by 9 minus here 3y as it is equal to 2000. Now we can multiply 7 2s are 14,000 plus 7 4s are 28y by 9 minus 3y equal to 2000. So here it is the fraction mode. Fraction mode means we need to take the LCM. So LCM we are getting 9 we are getting. So here same as it is only. So 14,000 plus 28y into numerator as it is 9 table in when we are getting this LCM 9 1 0 minus 3y into here nothing denominator means we need to take 1. So 1 table in 9 we are getting 9 0 1 9 0 9, that equal 2000. Now 1 into something means 14,000 plus 28y into 1 28y minus 9 3s are 27y by 9 equal to 2000. This 14,000 as it is plus 28y minus 27y. 28y to 27y we need to subtract. Means we are getting 1y. 1y means y. Equal this 9 I am transposing. Denominator becomes numerator. Means 2000 into 9 we are getting. So 14,000 plus y equal 27,000. Sorry. 9 2s are 18,000. So this 14,000 you have to transpose to write y equal 18,000 minus 14,000. So y equal 18,000 to 14,000 subtracting means we are getting 4,000. So y means it is the what we took, expenditure we took. So expenditure it is y equal 4,000 we are getting. Now we need to find actually income we have to find. Now I will clean here and I will write. Now y equal 4,000 value, substitute in equation number 1. 1 or 2, any one equation we need to substitute. So we are substituting means we can get the value of x. So first equation is, that is 9x minus 4y. Y value here 4000. So 4000 equal 2000 as it is. So 9x minus 4 4s are 16,000 equal 2000. So the 16,000 you have to transpose. 9x equal 2000 as it is, plus minus becomes plus 16,000. So 9x equal, that is 16 plus 2, that is 18,000. Only we need x value only we need. So x equal 18,000 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 2,000s are 18,000s. So x equal 2000. We got here x equal to 2000. X means what? What we took x value? X value we took. Incomes of 2 persons we took. So therefore, incomes of 2 persons, that equal 9x and 7x, that equal 9 into 2000 and 7 into 2000. So 9 into 2000, 18,000 and 14,000. So incomes of 2 persons we got it here, 18,000 and 14,000. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on different type of problem by using elimination method. Dear students, if you feel good, subscribe the channel and try to share maximum number of people. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.